Hey guys, this is a video. I've had a lot of YouTube videos that really helped me out on this old 580B, so I thought I'd throw one out there that I did. Maybe it'll help somebody else, maybe not. But these swivel joints wear out on the backhoe, and they're about 400 bucks if you can even get one. So what I did on it, what they do is the moisture gets in around the edges of them and corrodes. And it seems like it's the outside gets it worse. My guess is rainwater gets in there. What I did was took a brake cylinder hone and just honed it out the best I could get it, which still doesn't take all the pitting out. So it didn't solve the problem on the other side. Of course, I put new O-rings on it. But what I did do that seemed to work is I ground about maybe 32 thousandths off the end of this fitting, and I went and bought a 32 thousandths shim or thrust washer. What I'm trying to do is just move that fitting over enough where it doesn't, where it gets over, where the O-rings can ride in a smooth surface. So this is going to be a little difficult with one hand on the camera, but you got these little Teflon backing washers that need to go on first on the outside of both O-rings. You got to keep that thrust washer out. I actually ground this one out because I didn't have the right size. It's a little over. It's a little over an inch, about 50 thousandths over an inch. And the next size you can buy is inch and a quarter. I mean inch and an eighth. So I bought an inch and an eighth for the other side, but I didn't, and I bought an inch because I wasn't sure what size was going to work, so I just ground this one out. I don't want to drop my other O-ring. So put this outer O-ring on first to make the other one slide on a little easier. I've got to set the phone down a minute, sorry. Sorry about this, guys. Just about got it. I don't want to take the time to do the editing. So what I've got here is a thrust washer that moves it out 32 thousandths away from the inner part of the fitting. New O-rings, Teflon backers on there, and then I want to put the best side, or the side I didn't grind on, that I didn't grind at 32 thousandths off. And I just did this, no machine work. I just put it on the side of a grinding wheel, and kind of you can tell by it's tapered, so you can kind of get a good idea how square you got it by the the thickness of the grind. So I moved it out. I took about, just guessing, 32 thousandths off. Oil everything up here. Then I go back on. You got to get these little Teflon dudes lined up or they won't let you go back together. This one's being a fit. Okay, there's that one. Then to the inner one. Yeah, I gotta get that Teflon to line up. Okay, now I'm up against the washer. Maybe. No, I'm not. Still not past the Teflon. Let's get the ends of this up where I can see. Okay, there's the gap. And that's where it's catching.